All right, finally planted the mulberry tree that we got from my brother. He had bought this one a while back along with a couple of others, and unfortunately he didn't get a chance to plant it. I think they've been sitting in a pot for 2 years actually, and he's just been really busy as well. And what happened is there was such severe cold like 2 winters ago that this froze back above the graft. So basically it was grafted above here and that part completely died, but the the main plant is still alive and well. And so we can regraft onto this at a later time. I just wanted to get it in the ground. So it's been sitting out here for weeks now, and I finally got a chance to plant it, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'll mulch it up later, but first I still need to make more mulch. There's a lot to do. As you can see, I've been using the scythe over here as well. It's just the grass has been crazy, and I still need to make the mulch from that. So once I have some more mulch, that'll get mulched up. Until then, I'll probably let the grass dry out and then just put kind of the hay, like the dried grass around it as well, just to keep the weeds down and protect it a little bit with moisture and stuff like that. Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. As you can see, we're back out in the garden today and doing a bunch of work. So if you're interested, stick around. I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing today. I'm going to be working on the creation of a big compost pile because I'm going to have so much grass now and stuff to throw in there. But I just wanted to show you guys our raspberries are starting to ripen. Actually, a couple days ago we were here, and my little daughter, she's a raspberry monster. She ate all of the ones that were ripe, but there's a few more now, so it's pretty cool. I'm so happy that she likes the raspberries. It's so awesome to see her like go and pick them. It's such a joy. So yeah, so anyway, yeah, like this is looking pretty good. I'm really happy that they're starting to ripen, and obviously the plants are doing well. This one's putting out, a bunch of new growth here, putting out the fruit on the old cane. Same thing over here. There's the new cane coming out, and then the old one is producing fruit. In the fall time, I'm going to come through and snip that one down at the base, and then that one will produce fruit next summer. So that's how it works. Same thing with that one. It should have produced fruit there, but I think this one, I'm pretty sure got affected by the dryness and then in the garage and then the early sprouting. So we might not get fruit on that, but anyway, we'll get fruit on that cane next year. So that's pretty cool. Let me pick these. This is going to be our compost pile. What I did was I took a bunch of branches that I had laying about and needed to get put somewhere anyway. And these are all kind of stuff I've either cut out or that were just hanging around from the previous owners when they were trimming like some of the fruit trees and stuff. So yeah, some of these are like pruning, some of these are like the locust trees that I've talked about in previous videos that I've cut out because they're really like aggressive growing and just kind of take over the whole yard. So so yeah, some of these are just little stakes and stuff that I just jammed them into the ground. And if anybody's an observant viewer from a long time ago, you'll know that in our previous place I had built kind of like almost a sort of like a retaining wall on our hillside in the garden there. And then I was dumping all the grass and cuttings and stuff behind it just to make almost like a little retaining wall for that stuff. And it was composting down, and it was really helping the raspberries grow really well there. So anyway, I don't want to spend money on this. I didn't want to like use pallets or anything else, even like cheap wood or cheap materials. When this is just free, it's laying down. It'll all compost down eventually anyway. So just kind of made a little frame. Left a pretty good size opening here. I actually kind of ran out of branches to use. I'll probably make that tighter as it starts getting filled up. But like this, it's going to be nice and easy because I can just bring the wheelbarrow in, dump out all the clippings or yard waste or whatever else is going to go in here. At some point I will be making a composting toilet, so there will be human manure also going in here. And the idea is that with the human manure you really have to leave it for quite a while before you can use it anyway. So that's why I kind of made this big, and not gonna have to deal with it for quite some time. Once it's like pretty full up, I'll probably just like let it sit for like at least a year or more, and then start using it later. So I'll probably have to make another one of these somewhere else, but we have plenty of space in the yard, so it shouldn't be an issue. So anyway, let's start. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take a lunch break quick, but after that I'm going to start doing some more cutting with the scythe, and then I'll start gathering some stuff to dump in here. So that's it for today. I'm pretty beat. Been doing a lot of mowing with the scythe, and yeah, I don't know how many wheelbarrows full of yard debris that is, but I don't know, maybe around 10ish or so. So it looks like a lot, but you know, the grass will definitely just kind of compress and fall down with a good rain, and as it starts breaking down, that will go almost to nothing. So I think, yeah, it's a good size compost pile. Definitely will be making another one. I'll probably make that one a little bit more sturdy and serious, but that'll be at a later time. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye.